I wish I wish all the
Yeah, you must feed. Come. Somebody take photo. Feed. Come.
You know, each time I want to talk about my hustle, I always feel like I want to cry. I have been on the street since I was 16 years old. I got to Malaysia since 11 years ago. I never gave up on my hustle.
You won. You are strong guy. Strong guy. You don't cry.
Biasa.
Amin ya Allah. Our old papa.
This is sugar daddy.
Our mate. Sugar daddy.
No lah, bro.
Masuk sini aneh.
Bro, you are not sugar daddy. You are Kit Kat daddy. Now you sit. Now you don't.
Okay, start. Photo.
Really appreciate you.
Okay, everybody feed.
No, I'm tired already.
Little, small. Sikit, small one.
90.
No.
Sini.
Ambil gambar.
Gambar. Siapa ambil gambar?
Ya, obatnya. Semua aku ambil kan.
Ini saya ambil video sini. Mau cepat. Ambil gambar.
Sini.
Okay.
Ada already. Ya Allah.
Lagi sekali.
Thank you so much. I appreciate you.
Super share. Whose iPhone is that?
Krakis.
Okay. Happy birthday, Cracky Doll.
Thank you so much. Thank you so
God
much.
bless you.
Amin ya Allah.
Today, photo lah.
Foto.
Alamak. Abe, I still love you, my friend.
Crazy guy. You spoil my face today already.
That's why my feet got no.
Oh, cannot be. He don't rub on my face. You know you cannot carry me.
Not really enough. Now only serious food. Enough. Don't waste the cake.
Alright, thank you so much. Okay, dah.
Now I want to cut one for myself.
Dia banyak sangat.
Aneh.
Ah.
Our sugar daddy.
Our sugar daddy.
Thank you so much, Aneh. God bless you. Love you always, Aneh. We love Aneh. There's no way we can push Aneh, no matter what. He's still our mentor.
Aneh also cry.
Aneh, no cry.
You're crying.
Lagi.
Oh, lama. I kind of knew it.
Bro.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
How can you not have it?
I'm happy, man. Thank you.
May God bless you always, bro.
I am really happy to you, my brother. Thank you so much, my brother. God bless you, and I appreciate you, brother. Thank you so much.